Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here. We are on another great adventure. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. We out here. Big one. Hit. Jamaican shore fishing, people. I got hit. Hit on the line. Jamaican shore fishing. Lure fishing here, people. Yeah, man. Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. He reefed me. He reefed me. He freaking reefed me. We gonna get him. Holy smokes. Guys, my hands are like shaking right now. I'm like shaking right now, guys. Shaking, totally shaking. The adrenaline is pumped. That was a hit. That was a run. He reef, maybe not reef. All right, guess I reef me. Fish on. Yes, I. Fish on. Feels like it. Glass nose. Making shore fishing. Glass nose. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing here, people. Just got my first catch a while ago. Glass nose. Like these fish up this side, they don't like squid, for some unknown reason. Let's get the line back in the water. Pick up any more. Here, guys. Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing, people. We ain't playing today. Yes. Fish on. Just dropped the line in the water, people. Got another one. Like I found a magic spot right now. Got a little jackfish. Strike two. Come on, Ricky, get in the water, dog. Yeah, I know. I've been here all morning. It's the shrimp, man. Jack. Yeah, man. I think can't get to set the other line yet without dropping. I was going to drop in the line. Huh? Kinda sorta. Your best bet is casting further. Oh, you can't cast. Yeah, you should be alright. You should be alright. Just once it drops, don't move it. There's reefs around you, but don't move it once it drops. You want me to send it out for you? Want me to cast it out for you? Alright, give me a minute. Yeah, Ricky, get my water on the boss. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, Ricky Line just landed one of these. What your fish? Take your fish. It's a jack. Kermit jack. Kermit. Yeah, man. No, she came to the bush.
Oh, okay.
You see that little hole like? Eh? Allah ya joke, Allah ya tell. I think we are leak over here so with 3 fish gone already over here so. Give me 2 Hold on, give me 2 of your shrimp. Yep. Come man, set up and come. Take out rig out of my bag, right here, look. Ziploc bag, rig. Susie, let's take out one of my rig, man. Nobody waste time, I fish in my bite now, it makes sense. See my black bag right there, so? With the Ziploc bags, yeah. All rigs in there, all types. Find the nearest one, look, yeah. Set up, Ghana Road. Jamaican shore fishing people. Susie hits onto something big, people. Holy smoke, Susie got something big. Yes. No. Go get it, Susie. Oh. Let's get him. He's heading for the reef. Holy smokes! What is this, people? I can't even see his cut. Holy shit! Gaff, gaff!